We are coming to you from Curwensville Area High School. Welcome to our video.
This year, for What's So Cool About Manufacturing, we traveled to Clearfield Metal Technologies.
We took a tour of this site and learned how they make all different parts from lawnmowers to motorcycles.
Here's some of the footage we gathered from our experience.
Powdered metal to make parts arrives in bulk packs, and a month's worth of inventory is maintained at all times.
These bulk packs contain 3,000 pounds of powder, various types between iron, stainless steel, brass.
Welcome to the Clearfield Metal Technologies tool room.
This piece is called the bottom punch. It plugs up the die to form the bottom of the part.
This is a 20-ton press. In this stage, powdered metal is placed in the tooling to be pressed. 20 tons of pressure is applied to form the raw part.
Green parts are, some of them are very easy to break.
This is what parts look like when oxygen is present in the furnace. See the discoloration? In the centering over, parts are exposed to extreme heat. This causes the green part to become solid and virtually unbreakable.
We call a continuous belt furnace. As you've seen earlier, the flames are controlling the atmosphere that's inside the furnace. Those flames stop any oxygen from getting in there. Oxygen's bad in the sintering process, so we inject our atmosphere with hydrogen and nitrogen.
Okay, now at the end of the sintering process, these parts are hard. You're not going to break these parts very easily.
Yeah, anytime kids want to be machinists, that's an in-demand occupation. We need them, everybody around needs them. So
Thank you for watching our video.
We want to give a huge thanks to Clearfield Metal Technologies.
Make sure to contact Clearfield Metal Technology if you ever need any parts.
Please vote for our video.